Mastering extended producer responsibility. Sustainable materials will define our packaging, or our legacy. Why will we prioritize the use of sustainable materials in our product packaging to minimize waste and reduce environmental footprint, ultimately contributing to our operational excellence and extended producer responsibility? Prioritizing the use of sustainable materials in product packaging is a critical strategy in minimizing waste and reducing environmental footprint, ultimately contributing to operational excellence and extended producer responsibility, EPR. This approach is essential for several reasons. Firstly, the use of sustainable materials in packaging reduces the environmental impact associated with extracting, processing, and disposing of non-renewable resources. Traditional packaging materials, such as plastic, contribute significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, pollution, and waste accumulation in landfills and oceans. In contrast, sustainable materials like bioplastics, recycled paper, and recyclable materials minimize the environmental burden of packaging. By opting for sustainable materials, organizations can reduce their carbon footprint, conserving natural resources and mitigating the adverse effects of climate change. Secondly, sustainable packaging materials promote waste reduction and efficient waste management. When designing products and packaging, companies can adopt a circular economy approach, prioritizing recyclable, reusable, or biodegradable materials. This approach encourages the continuous reuse and recycling of materials, minimizing waste generation and the need for landfilling or incineration. By designing out waste, organizations can reduce the environmental impacts associated with waste disposal, such as pollution, habitat destruction, and human health risks. Thirdly, incorporating sustainable materials in packaging enhances operational efficiency and reduces costs. Sustainable materials often have lower production costs, reduced material usage, and optimized supply chain logistics. By adopting sustainable packaging, companies can minimize waste disposal costs, reduce packaging weight, and optimize transportation and storage requirements. These efficiencies can lead to significant cost savings, improved profitability, and increased competitiveness in the market. Fourthly, prioritizing sustainable packaging materials fosters customer loyalty, brand reputation, and social responsibility. Consumers increasingly prioritize environmental sustainability and expect companies to adopt eco-friendly practices. By incorporating sustainable packaging, organizations demonstrate their commitment to environmental stewardship, enhancing their brand reputation and building trust with customers. This, in turn, can lead to increased customer loyalty, retention, and advocacy, ultimately contributing to business growth and success. Lastly, the use of sustainable packaging materials supports regulatory compliance and reduces the risk of non-compliance. Governments worldwide are introducing stricter regulations and policies to address environmental concerns, such as extended producer responsibility, circular economy targets, and plastic pollution reduction goals. By proactively adopting sustainable packaging, organizations can ensure compliance with emerging regulations, reduce the risk of non-compliance, and avoid potential fines, penalties, or reputational damage. In conclusion, prioritizing the use of sustainable materials in product packaging is crucial for minimizing waste, reducing environmental footprint, and contributing to operational excellence in EPR. By adopting sustainable packaging, organizations can reduce their environmental impact, promote waste reduction and efficient waste management, enhance operational efficiency, foster customer loyalty, and ensure regulatory compliance. By doing so, companies can improve their brand reputation, reduce costs, and contribute to a more sustainable future.